Here's a 450-word retelling of the story you provided. 100 pilots gathered to compete for an unbelievable prize. A 2.4 million private jet. The contest opens with 3 teams racing to pull a 40,000-pound plane across a finish line. One team surges ahead, clinching the first victory and earning the right to continue. But the stakes rise quickly. The winners must then endure the blast of massive jet engines in a rotating jet spinner challenge, where 60-meter winds try to knock each pilot from a platform. Strength, balance, and technique decide who survives. Even a former NFL player is blown off, proving sheer muscle isn't enough. After this brutal gauntlet, only 19 pilots remain. Next, the contestants board a cargo plane at 10,000 feet for a psychological and strategic challenge involving mystery briefcases. Some contain jump, a safe pass to the next round, but others read, eliminate. Each captain sees their briefcase. Then the opponent chooses whether to steal it or trust them. At first, honesty dominates. But one competitor lies successfully, unraveling trust and shifting the tone. As the odds worsen, integrity is tested, alliances form, emotions run high, and pilots must gamble on instinct. Ultimately, 10 pilots earn their parachutes and leap to the next challenge. The survivors land in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, where the jet awaits in the middle of a major freeway. The rules are simple. Last to remove their hand from the jet keeps it. As the jet is transported slowly through the city, the pilots cling on while crowds gather, filming the spectacle. Hours pass in the heat, and the task becomes grueling. The truck moves faster, forcing contestants to run while holding on. One pilot slips and loses instantly. Another takes a $50,000 buyout, choosing family and career stability over the jet. As the city route ends, the remaining contestants must continue in place. A button triggers escalating handicaps. No sitting, only one finger allowed. Standing on one foot, all while sleep deprivation settles in. One pilot collapses unconscious. Another's foot touches the ground. Eliminations come painfully, leaving only 3 finalists. Then comes the twist. They have 1 hour to mutually decide a winner. If more than one remains touching the plane at the deadline, nobody gets the jet. Tension skyrockets. Arguments explode over fairness, skill, and luck. One finalist shares that he and his wife are struggling to afford IVF, stirring sympathy and shifting perspectives. The debate circles endlessly until they finally agree to choose among 3 briefcases, only one containing a golden ticket. The cases open. Saud contains the winning slip. With only seconds left, the others honor their word and lift their hands. Saud collapses in tears. He has won the jet.